To hear this morning and evening worship when we were still in the mission. And every time we come here for our holiday, we stay in that place. And we could hear almost every houses are having their family worship in the morning and evening. But now, I cannot hear them singing and worshiping God in the morning and in the evening. It's very sad to know this. I don't know, for us here, our presence here this morning, do we still conduct our worship in the morning and evening? To thank God? Very good. Maybe, I don't know, because I asked you, then you will answer me on the affirmative side. But personally, for us in the family, we always have worship. Even just the two of us, we sing and pray together to thank God for the many blessings that He has given us every day and for lengthening our lives, that we may be able to exist still in this earth and enjoy what we are supposed to enjoy in this earth. There's a little story. It's being told, and this is retold and retold and repeated every now and then. This is about ungratefulness. Ungratefulness which created it. It is so often repeated. A young boy was sitting in the front seat of a bus when a rather queenly young woman boarded the crowded city bus. The little boy who was already seated got up from his seat and gave her seat to this coming lady. After a while of silence, the tired boy asked the lady, "What did you say?" The sitting passenger said, "I did not say anything." At which the boy remarked, "I thought I heard you say thank you." Are we who are old enough to know better still would act like a little child who is often reminded by his or her mother to say thank you?